Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I thought that I would vlog this week because I'm actually doing something fun. Today is Tuesday and today is kind of trip prep day. I don't know if you guys watch my shorts, then you would know that I'm going to New York City tomorrow, or this week I guess. But we leave tomorrow and I really have a list of things to do. I actually need to write it down so I don't forget, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so on my list, I need to finish my laundry. I need to go and get my nails done. I need to pick up my alterations, and then later today I need to figure out my New York itinerary and then of course pack my things. But yeah, oh, and I need to get cat food. Our cats are being boarded, so I need to make sure that they have enough food for that. So yeah, that's it. Let's get going. I always leave this window open for my cats. They like to look out at stuff. Sometimes they look at birds. I don't know. I also put a pizza in my oven so I can have that for lunch. It's already kind of late in the day, but that's okay. My pizza is ready and I'm just gonna eat it now. Hot. I just checked the weather and it's a crisp 79 degrees, so I need to figure out what to wear. It's always so hard to dress for this kind of temperature because I know in like 3 hours it's gonna be like 50 degrees. So even though it's a warm day, I need to dress a little bit warm. Not really, just like pants, not shorts. So let's see what I come up with. Here's what I went with. Just something super simple. This is like a onesie bodysuit from, I think it's from Amazon. And then I'm just wearing my, what do you call these? My New Balance sneakers, my gray ones. So yeah, this is the outfit. Please excuse the mess in my room. I know I need to pick it up. I don't think I'm gonna put on any makeup just because I don't really want to right now. So yeah, let's go run these errands. The first thing we have to go and do is get my nails done. I just need to get a fill. I ended up getting bubble bath on my nails, but I'm gonna put chrome on, white chrome, when I get home because they charge like an extra $10 for chrome and that's crazy. So I'm just gonna do it myself. Now I need to pick up my alterations. My alterations are secured. Made it to Target. They have these new Valentine's Day phone cases. They're actually so cute, but I wish they were pink. I also really like this sweater. Oh my god, I wonder if I can find the matching jeans with the heart pocket. Oh my god, speaking of the jeans, here they are. These are so cute. Not what I came in here for, but look at how cute. Even though the clothes were cute, it's not what I came here for, so I need to focus. Now I just gotta find the octolights. Found them. I think I like this light pink one. I do actually kind of want these pajamas. I think they're so cute for Valentine's Day. I got more things than I wanted to, but I mean, whatever. That's how Target works, right? Now I need to just go get some cat food. Get all the Valentine's Day stuff for the cats. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with that collar. Look at this little leash. I'm gonna get this one. Okay, I'm outside because I actually need to go down to my basement right now to get my luggage. So wish me luck. I hate going down there. One. Also, I got a new phone case for my phone. It's a really cute brown with little pink hearts. Right now I have this one, which I got from the Apple store, and it's literally like the worst quality phone case I think I've ever had. Like, look at that. And it was so expensive. So let's switch out my phone case, and then I'm also gonna switch out the screen protector because it's also like got some cracks and some dings and stuff. So let me do that real quick. I gotta clean off my phone. That was kind of a fail. I ended up having to do it manually, but it's fine because it worked out. Now I can put on my cutie little case. That looks so cute. Okay. It's much later in the day now. I got cold, so I put on my robe. It's time to shave my face. So I like to use this. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it below. It's jojoba oil. I don't know, but it looks like that. And I just take some and rub it all over my face. And then I use one of these things. I used to use those like dermaplaning razors, but I feel like they go dull so fast, so I wanted something better. So I got this, so hopefully this works. Here we go. That actually works really well. Okay, that actually worked out so good. And now my face is nice and smooth for makeup this week. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thanks so much for following along with me today. I know it was kind of all over the place, but I hope it was still somewhat entertaining. I'm gonna go take a shower, go to sleep, and wake up early for tomorrow's call time. Just kidding, our flight doesn't leave till 1, but we do have to drop off the cats at their boarding. But yeah, that's it. Bye guys.